Hi everyone, welcome to another video on this PowerPoint series. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to make something like a speedometer, but it's not exactly a speedometer. The practical application of this would be if a project is in red, we'll have something like a speedometer and we'll have the dial showing red. It's more like a meter that shows your RPM. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So first things first, I'm going to go to insert, and within insert, I will go to chart, pie chart, select the donut. Okay. Once that comes, I'm just going to right click, edit data, data in Excel. You should see an Excel file opening. Just make it big. Just remove this, delete sales. You just drag this 6. So we need 6 separate pieces. So it's 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, close it. So you'll have something that looks like this. Remove this, delete this, we don't need this. Delete sales, we don't need this. Right, so what you do next is right click, cut, and you need to go back and paste it. But this time when you paste it, go to paste special, choose picture enhanced meta file, and then click OK. Once you do that, what you need to do is go to arrange, align middle, arrange, align center, and then right click, group, ungroup. It gives this box. You just click yes, and then once again go group, ungroup. Now that you see you have each piece separate, what you do next is go back and just group it back again, and just click, let's just remove the outlines, so no outline. Let's also rotate this by 90 degrees. So when you go to arrange, go to rotate, and then rotate right by 90 degrees. So now we have 1, 2, and 3 pieces. And let's just check once again to see if the grouping is okay. Yes, the grouping is okay. So group it back again. So now what we do is we just go here and we remove this, delete, we remove this, delete. Why isn't that deleting? So group again. Let's just ungroup quickly. So go here, delete, sorry about that, and delete. Now that we have this, let's just take this, this, and let's just control right click, cut. Let's just take this box off and then paste, right? So now once we do that, let's just change the colors here. Shape fill, let's call this, let's make this green, and this is blue, and the specific one is red. So if projects are in green, it would show green, blue, blue, and red, red. Next thing is, let's go to insert, get an icon. In this case, we'll get a speedometer. So let's just go and type that right away. Bring this in. Once you get this, all you have to do is group, ungroup. Just click yes again, and it's just going to break this apart, right? So just remove this part, and there you go, you have something. So let's make this bigger, but make sure when you make this bigger, you click shift and drag it so it becomes big evenly. So shift, and then let's just drag it. Let's just place it back here to see how it looks. Perfect. Now what we do next is let's just go insert, and let's make a small circle, and then again hit shift, make a small circle. In this case, Go to shape outline, go to weight, let's do 3 point, and then again go to shape outline and make this white, right? And let's also fill this color as black. So let's just go place this here. Perfect, right? So let's just click this, and Control G to group them. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and make a copy of this. Once I make a copy of this, I'm quickly going to go to arrange and then rotate, and rotate this by 90 degree, and then once again go to home, go to arrange, go to rotate by 90 degrees again. Once you do that, you bring that here and you match this, and then just click this, and you do Control G, right? So we have one big piece. What you do about this is just click this part of it once again, and let's make this white, so that disappears, right? And now let's just go ahead and align this to the center. There you go, right? So the next thing is, now that we have the speedometer, now that we have the dial, the next thing is to go to animations, right? So go to animations, so click on this, go to animations, go to emphasis, and go to teeter, right? Once you do that, you could see this, right? And then after that, you go to animation, go to group, and go to effect options. In effect options, you go to timing, and let's just say duration, let's just call it 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. So that's how fast it's going to move. And let's say repeat until the end of the slide, right? So let's just do this, okay. And then if I go to presentation mode, and if I click the right button, so it's something like this, right? So let's say if I want it to be in green, and then I just do this and drag, and then let's just do this. Let's just say start with previous. All that start with previous does is once you move to the next slide, you don't have to click the right arrow or the mouse. It automatically starts animating. That's all that is to it. So now let's just go to the slideshow mode, and there you go. So now any project that's in green is going to teeter green. If you want blue, all you do is drag this, rotate, and let's just put it here and then go. So all you have to do now is, let's say this project is in red, and you just copy this. Sorry. Control Z. So just go here. This is one, right? And then drag. This is another. Right? So let's say this project is in green and this project is in red, right? And I'm just going to go here. This is group 2. I'm just going to do start with previous. So that's good. So when I go to slideshow, you see this? Perfect. So all you have to do next is just insert, and then insert, let's say something like projects in red. Sorry about that. So just go projects in red, this, and then control drag it So projects in red, and this would be projects in green, right? And then you list your projects, right? So you go up. This is how it is. So that's a quick tutorial on how to animate. So the same thing can be used to also animate a speedometer. For example, let's say you do this. So this, instead of you go to animations, and instead of this, all you have to do is do a spin, right? And so what's happening is, since it's spinning one full circle, you go to effect options, and you do a half spin, right? So something like this, right? Only thing here in this case is this would be here, and then you do an animate. There you go. So that's how you quickly change this into a speedometer. But the purpose of this tutorial was not to show you how to do a speedometer, but rather how to show projects in red and green. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a good day. Bye bye.